Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your VS Code version and the exact shell path so you know what to change. Next, install or update the shell you prefer, PowerShell, Bash, or ZSH, and add it to path so VS Code can find it. Once done, enable developer tools and open the terminal to capture errors. This log will guide you. Make sure to record the exact error messages, because those details determine the correct configuration changes you'll perform next. You now change configuration. Set terminal, integrated, shell, asterisk to the executable path you confirmed earlier and update terminal, integrated, shell args, asterisk for any flags you need. Then adjust terminal, integrated, env, asterisk to prepend the correct path and other environment variables so your tools resolve. If profiles or startup scripts cause crashes, temporarily disable them and test with a clean profile to isolate the issue. Once you see the terminal open reliably, restore minimal profile setting. You finish by creating or restoring a working terminal profile and saving your settings backup. This ensures you can revert if something breaks. Next, use VS Code's logs and run shells with verbose or equivalent to capture stubborn failures and compare outputs. If problems persist, disable all extensions and re-enable them one at a time to find extension conflicts. Finally, test in a fresh user data directory. If that fixes it, migrate settings selectively rather than copying everything at once.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.